Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at grlondon.com, an online fashion store that claims to be a one-stop shop for everything from stylish coats to trendy knitwear. At first glance, the site looks like a fashionista's dream, but we're here to see if it's actually a consumer's nightmare. Let's start with their glowing 4.8-star rating, backed by over 5,700 supposedly thrilled customers. It sounds incredible, until you realize that every single review is a masterpiece of perfection. Apparently, they've managed to find 5,000 people who never have a bad day or a late delivery, which is a statistical miracle usually reserved for fairy tales. I decided to venture outside their curated bubble and found that the rest of the internet isn't quite as impressed. Reddit is a total ghost town for this brand, and Trustpilot only features 2 reviews, both of which are a dismal 1-star. Users are warning that this site might just be a lazy rebrand of Chiara fashion, citing cheap materials and a customer service team that's essentially playing a permanent game of hide-and-seek. It's always a good sign when a company's primary skill is being unreachable. Next, let's talk about the domain itself, which was registered so recently it still has that new scam smell. Brand new websites lack a proven track record, making them a massive gamble for your hard-earned cash. Even worse, a quick reverse image search shows that their stylish product photos were actually borrowed from other websites. Because why go through the hassle of hiring a photographer when you can just right-click your way to a full inventory? It really inspires confidence when a fashion brand is too shy to show you what their actual stock looks like. To wrap up this red flag parade, the company has absolutely no social media presence. In an age where even local bakeries have a TikTok, a fashion brand with no Instagram or Facebook is basically invisible. There's also zero information about who actually runs the place. No names, no faces, just a void where the transparency should be. When you combine a fresh domain, stolen images, and a total lack of accountability, you get a recipe for a shopping disaster. Stay safe, keep your wallet closed, and if you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.